Not null constraint. Not null constraint checks the null value and restricts the record having null value on a particular column of a table. So for that we can see the example. First we have to create the student table having roll number and student name. So we create a table is created, then we add two records. First we add this record, but sometimes uh, any user can add uh, like this record like this also. Means one it may be possibility to have add only roll number and missing the name. This kind of records, in the case of these kinds of records, we can see here. uh, in the first record there is roll number and student name, but in the second record there is only roll number and student name is null, but this record is still added. To avoid this kind of situation and to avoid null value in this, we can give not null constraint to the student name column. So again create student table, but here in this case student name have not null constraint. So if we try to execute the records like previous, in this case we cannot insert the value null into the column student name null constraint. Column does not allow nulls. Insert fails. The system has been terminated. So in this case, the error being generated. So we cannot. It cannot allow the null value. But instead of that, we can add records in this way. If the value is provided for the student name column, and in that case, the record is added. So we can see record can be added, but in the case of when there is only but when there is no value added for student name column, in that case the record is cannot be added. So in this way null not null constraint allow does not allow null value in the column which it has mentioned. Thank you.